Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and resonating with the readings. Do like the channel and click on the bell icon to know as and when I bring notifications. Also, if you can let me know how you feel the readings are, it actually really encourages me to bring in more and more tips. As usual, being Monday, I have brought my Ganesha cards, and this time I'm bringing in an affirmation also along with it. So that's the reason I have kept this card inverted. So let's see what is Ganesha going to tell us. But before we start, today I feel that if you can pick up some milk, maybe 1 liter of milk, and give it to some Ganesh temple, so that they can use it for doing Abhishek of Lord Ganesha. And when in even if it is on that today or even if it is tomorrow, but I felt you should donate 1 liter of milk. Minimum is 1 liter. You can even donate more if you want. Also, if you can pick up some fruits and donate it to some poor child. This is what I felt guided to tell you all. So let's see what is the first card which is coming. So the first card that has come is harmony. So let's see what is another card that is coming. Let's pick one more card. Okay, that's another card. Be candid. All right, so I feel the throat chakra and the harmony, as in I feel that one thing somewhere when I'm seeing the throat chakra, the be candid, I feel you need to open up and talk. Always when this card comes, I feel that the person is hiding emotions inside, hiding things inside, not speaking out openly, because of which lot of issues the person, he or she, is actually facing. Here when I see the sacral and the throat chakra in the cards, I feel that maybe something related to relationship you're not upfront and talking out. This is what I feel, or I am guided to tell you in the cards. Whatever you want to talk about is something related to your emotions, related to your love life. I feel you need to speak it up. You need to tell your partner or the person with whom you are having issues in relationship right now, that what you want and why is it that you are not liking the way things are going. Then only things will actually change. And sometimes when we are truthful in our communication, obvious, then automatically the divine also blesses us and the divine also gives us our answers. Maybe you feel that will I get my answers or not. Only when you talk out you will come to know. Overall, I feel a day is going to be good, just that you need to speak out your emotional traumas that you're facing and be truthful to it. So let us see what is the card of affirmation that has come for you all. Okay, the card says patience. So maybe because you think that whether I will get the justice, whether people, whether whatever I'm talking, people will reciprocate. Here it says patience is always rewarded. So when the time is right and you're ready and refreshed, the next door will open. So I feel the angels are asking you to be patient. This affirmation you can say today 21 times. All things happen at the perfect time. This will be your affirmation for today. Today I feel the color should be blue, because I feel you need to speak out, you need to communicate. So the color is blue, and the affirmation, I repeat, you have to say this: all things happen at the perfect time. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. May Lord Ganesha fulfill all your wishes and always keep you happy and smiling. Blessed be.